Noddy and the treasure map. Noddy was looking for something exciting to do. Woof woof. Suddenly, Bumpy Dog jumped on him. Noddy got an idea. Let's go on an adventure. But first, let's get some Googleberry pie. At Miss Pink Cat's ice cream parlor, the goblins were trying to get Googleberry treats for free. I won't give anything free to the two of you, said Miss Pink Cat. Miss Pink Cat saw Noddy and Bumpy Dog. Hello, Miss Pink Cat, Noddy called. I'd like to buy 2 slices of Googleberry pie. We are planning to go on an adventure. Miss Pink Cat went to get Noddy's Googleberry pie. The naughty goblins heard this, and Gobo thought of a plan to get some Googleberry treats for free. Quick, Sly, pass me a piece of paper and crayon, said Gobo. Wow, Sly, Gobo said very loudly. We will have quite an adventure with this treasure map. Did you say adventure? Asked Noddy. Yes, we were going to go on an adventure, but we have some work, said Gobo. We could sell the map to you for 2 coins. Noddy cheered. Done. Noddy and Bumpy Dog set off to follow the treasure map. The map says hop backwards 5 times down the street, said Noddy as he began to hop backwards down the street. Now we can buy some Googleberry treats, sneered Gobo. Next, the map told Noddy to go inside the barn and tickle the cow. Moo! Complained the cow. Noddy and Bumpy Dog ran away. Soon they were in the dark woods. It is so spooky here, said Noddy. Next, the map told him to call out Sly and Gobo are fine fellows. Noddy looked at Bumpy Dog and said, Oh, well, if the map says so. Big Ears was picking mushrooms nearby and he came to see why Noddy was shouting. What are you doing? Asked Big Ears. Noddy explained to Big Ears. Big Ears was amused and said, You silly little Noddy, there's no treasure out here. Noddy looked at the map and pointed to a nearby tree. And there it is, see! Noddy and Big Ears went to have a closer look at the tree. Said Big Ears. There is nothing in this tree but wood. Noddy sighed. I have fallen for another goblin trick. Big Ears looked thoughtful. I think it is time we drew our own treasure map. Back in Toy Town, the goblins saw Noddy walking by with a bag. Noddy, where did you get all that money? Asked Gobo. It was in the big tree, just like your treasure map said, replied Noddy. And I found another treasure map, continued Noddy. We sold you our treasure map, so you should sell us yours, insisted Gobo. I like finding treasure, said Noddy, acting hard to get. We'll give you 4 coins for it, said Sly. Well, said Noddy. All right then. Later, at Big Ear's house. I wanted to have an adventure today, but I didn't even find real adventure, sighed Noddy. You gathered supplies, followed a map, traveled to many places, fooled some goblins, and made some money. Sounds like an adventure to me, replied Big Ears. Noddy smiled. Did you hear that, Bumpy Dog? We did have an adventure after all. Woof! Barked Bumpy Dog. Meanwhile, the goblins were doing all the silly things that the map told them. Noddy and Big Ears laughed as they saw the goblins going crazy around Toy Town. Silly goblins, said Noddy and Big Ears together. So here the story ends. But what we learned from the story? It is tit for tat. That is, we should respond as per the other person's behavior. As in Hindi we say, जैसे को तैसा. For some more stories like this, do like, share and subscribe my channel. And do not forget to press the notification button to get the latest updates. Thank you and bye.